y'all like that intro? Yo, leave me a comment in the comment section down below if you loved it, your thoughts and opinions, like it. Smash that like button if you liked it. Sticking with the forex theme from last week, this week I'm gonna talk about what's traded in the forex market and how you can actually make money in it. And building on last week's video, this video I'm gonna talk about currency pairs. In the forex market, you simultaneously buy one currency and sell another. You trade the currencies either through a broker or a dealer, and they're always traded in pairs. For example, the dollar, the US dollar and the Japanese yen, the currency pair would be USD JPY. And you either buy or sell in currency pairs. Exchange rates swing depending on which currency is stronger. And then you have the major currency pairs, right? So the major currency pairs all consist of the United States dollar or USD in the pair. And they're the most frequently traded in the world, and they're also the most liquid pairs. These pairs include EUR USD or Euro United States dollars, USD JPY or United States dollars Japanese yen, or USD CHF or United States Swiss franc. So in total, there are 7 of these pairs. They're all linked between USD, as I said, and one of the other 7 major currencies. Then you have the pairs without USD in them, and these are known as cross-currency pairs or minor pairs. The most actively traded currency crosses are derived from the 3 other major currencies. So EUR or Euro, JPY or Japanese yen, and GBP, the Great British Pound. Right here, I'll put some examples of the Euro crosses, and maybe over here, over there somewhere, I'll put in examples of Japanese yen crosses, and then back over here, we'll put some examples of some pound crosses, maybe some other crosses. This brings us to exotic currency pairs. So what are exotic currency pairs? So exotic currency pairs are major currencies combined with the currency of emerging nation. Exotic currency pairs aren't really as frequently traded as the majors or the minors, so their transactions costs as a result of not being traded too frequently are much higher than both major and minor crosses. And I listed a few here, a few exotic currency pairs, so you kind of understand what they look like. And with that, that is it. Currency pairs. Let me know if you understood, if I made sense, because sometimes, you see, sometimes I don't make sense, yo. I don't make sense. So let me know in the comment section down below if this brought any value to you, if you understood. Leave smash that like button if you got some value. Share with anyone that you think will gain some value from the video, and I'm out.